Tesla's range estimation isn't static. It constantly adapts to driving conditions. The system monitors GPS, accelerometers, and battery temperature to account for speed, elevation changes, and weather. GPS provides location and route information. Battery temperature is monitored to ensure accurate predictions. The core calculation involves range equals battery capacity times efficiency factor divided by energy consumption rate. AI-driven predictions have reduced overestimation by up to 10% compared to older versions, per Tesla's internal data. Predicting long-term battery degradation is crucial for electric vehicles. Tesla analyzes usage patterns to provide personalized forecasts through the Tesla app. The Tesla app provides personalized forecasts by analyzing usage patterns like deep discharges and fast charging. Degradation depends on factors like deep discharges, fast charging, temperature, and depth of discharge. Optimal temperature is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Tesla uses Arrhenius equations to extrapolate capacity fade from accelerated aging tests, accounting for temperature effects. For example, if capacity drops 10% over 36 months at 35 degrees Celsius, the model calculates equivalent exposure at different temperatures. The Cybertruck's 4680 cells show promising resilience, with degradation as low as 5 to 7% after 100,000 miles based on early fleet data. These batteries retain 90% capacity after 200,000 miles in optimal conditions, with less than 1% annual fade in moderate climates. Tesla batteries degrade 10 to 15% slower than competitors, with less than 1% annual capacity fade in moderate climates. Tesla's Trip Planner integrates data from V4 superchargers and real-time traffic to create optimized routes for your journey. The planner pulls from historical data and sophisticated algorithms to find the most efficient paths, estimating charging stops and arrival times. It assumes peak power of 250 kilowatts at V4 superchargers, allowing for quick charging stops along your route. Recent updates include integration with third-party charging networks, providing more comprehensive options and accurate estimates. This expansion gives drivers access to a wider network of charging stations across North America. Overall, the Trip Planner makes long-distance travel in Teslas more efficient and stress-free. Tesla's adoption of 4680 cells in newer models has significantly reduced degradation rates. These batteries can retain 90% of their capacity after 200,000 miles under optimal conditions, doubling the lifespan of older 2170 cells. This improvement showcases Tesla's commitment to enhancing battery longevity and performance. The 4680 cell features a tabless design with aluminum and copper discs welded to current collectors and alternating layers of cathode and anode materials. This structure improves energy density and reduces manufacturing complexity. Compared to the smaller 2170 cells used in earlier models, the cylindrical 4680 cells are larger and more efficient, offering better thermal management and higher energy capacity. Degradation trends show clear improvements with 4680 cells. While 2170 cells might retain around 70% capacity after 200,000 miles, 4680 cells maintain 90% capacity under optimal conditions. This represents a significant advancement in battery technology. This doubling of battery lifespan demonstrates Tesla's commitment to enhancing battery longevity and performance through innovative cell design. Experts praise Tesla's data-driven approach to battery prediction, but call for more transparency in their models. Dr. Jeff Dahn from Dalhousie University emphasizes the need for open validation of Tesla's machine learning models to match lab standards. Tesla's 2024 impact report shows batteries retain 85% capacity after 200,000 miles, with range predictions accurate within 10% for 95% of trips. Looking ahead, Bloomberg NEF forecasts that Tesla's battery technology could enable 500,000-mile lifespans by 2030, driven by AI advancements. Looking ahead, solid-state batteries with Tesla prototypes expected by 2027 promise to halve degradation rates compared to current lithium-ion technology. Vehicle-to-grid integration will make battery predictions more dynamic, automatically factoring in electricity prices and grid demands. Tesla is focusing on battery recycling analytics, aiming for 100% recycled materials in battery production by 2030. However, challenges remain with regulatory pressures for greater transparency in battery health data. These advancements will create a more sustainable and efficient battery ecosystem for Tesla vehicles.